Happy Burger Day, everyone! Best burgers we've ever made.
This is called a hamburger. See how big it is? We can make this for dinner.
It looks so yummy. Can we really make it?
Look at this beautiful tomato. The harvest is truly blessed this season.
The lettuce is perfect too.
We have much to be thankful for. It is coming along nicely. Keep the rhythm steady.
Wow, look at all the red powder.
Almost finished with this round.
Make sure you press it firmly like this.
Perfect.
Perfect.
I think I got it now.